Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do project number 3 in the Life is Sweet June 2024 paper pumpkin kit. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is stamp our greeting, in this case, which is Sweet Friend. So I wanted to show you a trick as well. I've shown this before, but when you've got small greetings like this, they can wobble around as you're trying to put them down. So just put it down, action side down, flat side up, and then just pick it up with your block, and then it will be straight and you won't have to worry about. Some of the longer ones can wobble a little bit while you're trying to put them down. So we're just going to ink that up, and then we're going to stamp it down. There we go. So there we've got Sweet Friend is our greeting for this one. And we've got our vellum base and our frame. And what it tells us to do with the vellum base is to put tear and tape at the top and bottom. So I'm going to put a piece there like that, and one at the bottom like this. Okay. And then I'm going to put some adhesive dots up here, and one over here, and one over here. And one of the reasons that I do these videos this way is I haven't made these projects before. I'm opening up the kit, I'm making them right off the instructions exactly the same way you would be. So I don't have any kind of secret inner knowledge about how they're made. And I do it this way because the kits, for the most part, are really easy to follow, fairly intuitive. There have been times where I've had to take a second look at how to do it and have figured it out afterwards. But for the most part, they're pretty intuitive. So we'll just take our adhesive backings off here. And then this goes on right over top of the vellum. Just line it all up with the vellum. Give it a bit of a push. So we've got that adhered down. Oh, I didn't get any of my linen thread out, and I need a foot of that. So we're going to cut that off, tuck my stray end back into those slots I cut at the top, and then just run it through my fingers a couple of times just to get most of the curliness out of it. And I need a bow. So I'm going to tie the bow this way, and you just make 2 bunny ears, and then you tie a half knot with them. And then you just adjust your bunny ears however you would like them, and then tighten it up. So I'm just going to trim my ends off a little bit. There we go. So then this gets fixed down underneath the peaches. And the peaches are just going to take me a little bit to work out because I've got 3 of them, or 3 sets. So I've got the littlest one there, and then I've got the medium one and a smaller one, and then these 2 like this. Okay. So I need adhesive dots on these ones like this, and on this one, and on the little one. Okay. And then I need to do that. Okay, so I've got the dimensionals on. So now I need to layer these up. So it looks like, when I flip these over, this one goes down first, like this. This one goes down second, and it looks like this one's actually going to hold that bow down. And it goes on like that. Okay, and then the smallest one goes down at the bottom like this. And then these two, I need the medium one first, goes up here like this, and then this one tucks like that. Now we need our greeting. So we've got our hello, and I need to put a dimensional on the top of the second L and at the bottom of the first L, and then an adhesive dot on the H like that. And then the sweet friend, I need dimensionals on each end of this one like that. And we're going to take this one and we're going to pop it down on top of these peaches like this. So I'm just going to pop that like that. Make sure I'm straight. Here we go. And then this goes over, just slightly over the bottom of the word like that. Perfect. Okay. And then we're going to take our little pearls and we're going to pop one here like that, and then a smaller one here like this, and then a smaller one down here like this. So that is project number 3 using the paper pumpkin kit from June 2024. So stay tuned for that first alternate, and then each day of the week there'll be another alternate. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.